Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to find Facebook Messenger message requests. These requests are messages from people you're not connected with on Facebook, and they're tucked away in a separate section to help you manage your inbox effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app on your smartphone. This app is available for both Android and iOS, so make sure you have it installed and updated to the latest version. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on them. This icon serves as a menu button that gives you access to different sections within Messenger. After tapping the three horizontal lines, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Message Requests. This is where Messenger stores messages from people who aren't in your contact list or friends on Facebook. Inside the Message Requests section, you'll notice two tabs, You May Know and Spam. The You May Know tab contains messages from people who might share mutual friends with you or have interacted with your profile in some way. The Spam tab, on the other hand, holds messages from unknown sources that Messenger has flagged as potentially irrelevant or suspicious. You can toggle between these tabs to explore different types of message requests. If you find a message you want to respond to, simply tap on it and type your reply. Keep in mind that once you respond, the sender will be able to contact you directly and see certain details like your active status. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to locate and manage your message requests on Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to check this section regularly so you don't miss any important messages from new connections or opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.